Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular session, what we are doing is we are looking at if a number is a pronic or not. All right. So what we need to do is we need to check if the given number is like if we are given, let's say, 6, right? So 6 would be what? It would be pronic if it is if the multiplication of anything below it is basically like 2 and 3 multiplied will lead us to 6, right? So it has to be 2 times 3 will be 6, and what should happen is that basically the other number, the 3, should be a plus 1 only. Okay, so if 2 was I, so 2 plus 1 is 3, right? So basically just adding 1 to it should lead us to that particular input number. Okay, so basically the product of two consecutive integers in a simple terms. Okay, so I tried this solution, it does not work. Okay, so I will need to loop over every instances of it. So what I can do is right, so what I can do is basically I can simply do I into I plus 1. Right, so that should be less than or equal to n. I want to loop over every element, and if right, so if this is equal to right, otherwise what I can do is maybe I can simply do less than equal to while I is less than equal to this, right? And then I equals to 0, right, and I into I plus 1, right? So it will be what, equals n should return true, else, I mean, after the loop is finished, we return false, right? And of course, I was about to make it into an infinite loop, so we need to add that number as well, right? So I will do something like this because we will need to loop over every element of it, and then it should be this condition that should be satisfied, right? So if this is 2, this is 3, suppose if 6 came in, it would loop until 6 times, right? Not until 6 times, but whatever number is found, right? So whatever the first instance of it, right? So 2 times 3. Okay, so let's just try that. Run code. Okay, great. It's working fine. All right. So it's just getting the first instance of it only. Okay. So it's returning right over there. So when it's found the first consecutive numbers that uh, basically matches the input value, right? So 6. So it could be like there could be multiple numbers that could be matching it, maybe, not sure, but there might be, right? So that's not, it's not addressing that issue though. Let's submit the code. Okay, let's check other people's solution as well. Okay, okay, math square root, and then it's taking the floor of it and then doing it. Okay, math problem is there. Okay, range from n to n plus 1, and then it's just doing something similar. I used while loop. Okay, other people have done something similar. Okay, okay, just handling the edge case over here, and then after that, it's doing what? It's doing a square root basically and looping until there, right? So if this was 6, it would have been 3, right? So it would have been something like that, and then 3 plus 1, 4, right? Okay, and then doing it. Okay, this is much more optimized, but I'm not sure if it covers every test case though. Okay, seems like this is a good solution. Okay, so that's how we solve this problem, is Pronic related problem. If you have any doubts, do comment down below. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.